10 secrets for achieving your goals. In this tutorial, I'm going to let you in on 10 secrets you need to know to make sure you're on the path to achieving your goals. Everyone has goals in life, but some people will find that they are never able to reach theirs. While it's easy to blame life or other external factors, one of the main reasons people cannot reach their goals is because of something going on internally. Here are the top 10 ways you can be on the way to meeting your goals this year. 1. Be committed. How committed are you to achieving these goals? Make sure you understand what's important to you. If you're not really committed to making these goals and dreams possible, you'll find it's nearly impossible to get anything done. 2. Don't be obsessed with the results. If you have a goal to open a restaurant, try to focus more on the goal of the knowledge and relationships you gain while having a restaurant. If you're hyper-focused on the numbers, new locations and new products, you'll find that you never truly succeed in your own mind. Of course, the numbers and financial aspects are important, but try not to let them be the leading factor. 3. Be creative. When you have a setback, try not to let it get you down. Instead, think of new ways you can keep moving forward in a positive way. Be creative with the solutions and try to think of ways that no one has ever approached the problem before. 4. Get motivated. Commitment, as discussed above, is just one part of the equation. You also need to find the motivation you need to succeed. If you're lacking motivation, you will never be able to truly succeed in your goals. Don't wait for the right timing or the right opportunity. Go and make the chances happen for yourself. 5. Rely on yourself. Relationships are important, but make sure you are relying on yourself for your goals. If you put too much emphasis on waiting and relying on others, you will not be able to get where you need to go. Make sure you are the person who is working the hardest for yourself. 6. Make a plan. No goals can be made without first making a plan. Write down all your goals for the next weeks, months and years. Break them down little by little so that you see what you need to be working on every day. This lets you stay focused on what really matters rather than getting sidetracked. 7. Don't get distracted. Life is famous for throwing curveballs. When one comes your way, try not to let it distract you. Keep focused on your goals. If you have distractions in your life, get rid of them. Maybe it's a person always holding you back, or maybe you're always on social media rather than doing other productive things. 8. Try not to get burnt out. When you feel yourself getting tired or unmotivated, take a break. Some people might tell you to push through, but this never ends well. Pushing too much can make you burnt out and then you're never able to get back on track. 9. Make it fun. Your goals should be fun and inspire you. If they don't, you need new goals. Try to make everything light-hearted and fun for yourself. And finally, 10. Get rid of negativity. Push those negative thoughts out of your head. Negativity brings stagnation, which means you're getting further and further from experiencing your goals.